plus 5s, and so du, it's going to be just 5 ds. So then we solve for ds, and you get 1/5 du equal ds. So now we're doing the integral of the square root of 6 plus 5s ds, which really we can change to be the integral of the square root of u, and then put our 1/5 du in parentheses. And so then we put our 1/5 in front, and we're doing our square root of u is really u to the half du. And then from there it's simpler. We just say 1/5, raise it by a power, so that's u to the 3/2. And then we need to put 2/3 here, because it's 1/3/2. And then you have your plus c. So this is where you get your 2/15, and the u was the 6 plus 5s to the 3/2 plus c. Okay, on this one, we have u equal 5s plus 6, so du equal 5 ds, so then you say 1/5 du equal ds. So then if we have the integral of 1 over square root of 5s plus 6 ds, then that's going to be like integral of 1 over the square root of u, and then we need our number, which is the 1/5 du, and we like to put that more like u to the -1/2 and put the 1/5 in front, du. So then that turns into 1/5. Raise this by a whole power, so 1/2, and then 1 over that gives you 2, and then plus c. So that's how you get 2/5 u, which was 5s plus 6, to the 1/2 plus c. You'll get more confident as you do more of these. So how you start this is you say u equal 1 plus x squared, and so then du equal 2x dx, and then that means this is du over 2x equal dx. On this one, because there's an x in front, we need to leave this x dx. So we just need that to be du over 2. So that's why this one's different than the other one. So now you're doing your integral of x, and then 1 plus x squared to the 1/9 dx. So we can write that as the integral of 1 plus x squared to the 1/9 x dx, and then do our substitution where we know we have to have a 1/2 in front, and then call this u to the 1/9 and call this du. So now what we do is we substitute. Well, did we do our integral? No, not yet. Okay, so we have our 1/2. We raise it by power to 1/10 and then put 1/10 here. Oh, I don't know why I put 1/10. We're adding a whole number, so that's really 10/9. And so if you have 10/9, then this is 9/10, because we need 1 over that. And so we need our plus c, so that becomes 9/20 of the u, which was 1 plus x squared, and then to the 10/9 plus c. Okay, now for our last one. So we have u equal, kind of running out of room, u equal 1 minus 4y squared. So du would be negative 8y dy. Now notice we have a 4y in front, so we're going to have to work on that. So we have u is the underneath part, which is 1 minus 4y squared. Du would then be your negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 y dy. And so when we have our problem, we have your square root part in front, and then we have this 4 divided by this negative 8, so 4 over negative 8, and then the y dy. So that 4 over negative 8 turns into negative 1/2, and then it's the integral of u to the 1/2 du, because all this was replaced by du. So then that means we have our negative 1/2. We do u to the add 1 power, 1/2 plus 1, it's 3/2, and then you put a 2/3 here. So then that becomes, and plus c, so then that becomes negative 1/3 u, which is 1 minus 4y squared, and then to the 3/2 plus c. That's it. All right, hope that helps. Have a good one.